ready to make your text pop off the screen and give your designs that extra professional edge. Let's jump straight into outlining text in Photoshop. First, open up Photoshop and create a new document or open an existing one where you want to add your outline text. Select the text tool and type in the text you want to outline. I'm using outline this, but feel free to use whatever you like. Now, in your layers panel, make sure your text layer is selected. This is important because we're about to add a layer style that will create our outline. Go to the bottom of the layers panel and click on the FX icon, which is the Add a Layer Style button from the menu that appears. Select Stroke. This opens the Layer Style window with the stroke options. In the stroke options, you can customize the appearance of your outline. Adjust the size slider to control the thickness of the outline. Click on the color box to choose the color of your outline, and under Position, select Outside to create a clean outline around your text. Play around with these settings until you get the exact look you want. You can also experiment with different blend modes and opacity settings within the Layer Style window for even more creative effects. And that's it. You've successfully outlined text in Photoshop. Now you can use this technique to enhance your logos, titles, and any other design projects. Don't forget to experiment and have fun.